Om Jnana-timirandasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Paschatadeshatharine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare. So here the shloka is Manmanaho Madhvakto Madhyaji Mam Namaskuru Mam Evesh Satyavde Pratijano Priyosime. Always think of me, become my devotee, worship me and offer your homage unto me. Thus you will come to me without fail. I promise you this because you are a very dear friend. So here in this shloka we see Krishna is ordering us to become his devotee. Madhvakta, Bhava Madhvakta, you become my devotee. Four things Krishna is ordering here. Why is Krishna asking us to become his devotee? Now, is it some kind of, what is it he wants, like people want so many servants? Is it that Krishna also wants a shortage of servants? No, Krishna has many servants, there is no shortage. It is for our good. Shastra say, just like you put water in the root of the tree, it goes everywhere. So, if you get devoted to Krishna, the Jiva, Bhagavatam gives an explanation. Savai Pumsa Para Bhakta, Savai Pumsa Paro Dharma, Yata Bhakti Adhoshade, Ahitukiya Pratiyata, Yatmas Prasidati. If you get Bhakti, Madhvakta, to Adhoshade, what happens? You become fully satisfied. Yatma Suprasidati. You become fully satisfied. So for our own good, Krishna is asking. It's not that. He is getting something. But why a devotee? I can be karmi, I can be jnani, I can be yogi. Why bhakta only? This is studied on Sunday. The point is that whatever a karmi gets, what does the karmi get? Some kind of sense gratification. That's useless. There is no satisfaction anyway. Waste. It's temporary. Whatever he gets. Jnani, whatever he gets, some kind of vairagya detached from it. Again, that's a waste. It's not permanent benefit. Yogi body gets some kind of mystic power. Again, that goes with the body. Everything is lost. But bhakti, if you get some devotion to the Lord, it's a permanent asset. Therefore, Krishna is saying, become a devotee. That's the best thing you can do in your life. And it's a permanent benefit for you. Neha vikramanashvasti pratyavayo na vidyate sarvam api asya dharmasya trayate mahto. Even little advancement on this path will save us from the greatest kind of fear. So therefore, that is one reason Krishna is asking us to become a devotee. But so many people try other qualifications. They try to have other kind of ornaments in the society. You know, he is so kind, he is so polite. They try to train themselves into good personality. But again, Krishna points out that's not needed. Devotee automatically gets all these qualities. Yasyasa bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarvai gune tatra samasate sura hara avaktasya kuto mahatguna manorate nasati navadoti. A non-devotee has no qualities because he is dragged by his mind here and there. But the devotee who takes the shelter of Krishna, just like you go near fire, you become like fire. Right? You become as hot as fire. Similarly, you go towards Krishna. Krishna is called Pavitram Paramam, supremely pure. You go near Krishna, you become also purified. Therefore, this path of devotion is the most exalted path. In fact, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Mahatma Satatam Kirtayanto Mam Yadantascha Ridavrataha. Then, Mahatmanastu Mam Partha Devin Prakatimashrita Bhajanti Ananya Manasu Bhajanti Manmana Bhad Madhvakto Madhyaji Mam Namaskuru. Here Krishna is asking you, focus on them. So he is saying Bhajanti Ananya Manasu, without any distraction, he is worshipping Krishna. Who is called Mahatma. This is the definition of Mahatma. And anybody who is not become a devotee remains a duratma. Therefore, Krishna is asking us again another reason now. Become a devotee. Two reasons. Why the first reason Krishna asks us? Because the devotee will become fully satisfied and he will get permanent benefit. What is the second reason Krishna asks us? Because whatever other people get, you automatically get in devotion. And you do not have to endeavor for yoga siddhis, you do not have to endeavor for some vairagya of a jnani, you do not have to endeavor for some comforts of a karmi, automatically everything will be given to you. Just because you are becoming a devotee. Suppose I have $1 million with me, I automatically have change with me. Correct? Automatically I have 1 rupee, 2 rupee notes. So getting Krishna Bhakti, therefore great Acharya Bilu Mangala Thakur says, now I am trying to serve Krishna. Mukti is waiting at the door with folded palm. You want? I am not interested. So devotee, sense gratification, jnana, karma, yogi is waiting. You want? I don't want. So opulent devotee's condition. Therefore Krishna, just like any father, wants his son to become the best one. His son says, Papa, I got third in the class. Papa said, become first to know why you are third in the class. So similarly, Krishna is saying, become a devotee because he is the Supreme Father. He wants you to be the best. Why you want to be Jnani, Jnani, Karmi, Yogi? Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter end. Yogi naam api sarvesham madgataantaratmana shraddhavan bhajate yomam. So those who are devoted to the Lord in devotion, becoming a bhakta, are the topmost yogi. Krishna says, this is my opinion. In the 6th chapter at the end, Krishna clarifies. Krishna has taught karma yoga, jnana yoga, other things, but finally Krishna is saying, become a devotee, that's the best. He told, you can be 3rd class, 4th class, these all things are there. But I want you to be the 1st class. Correct? So that reason we can say, one more reason, second reason. The third reason why Krishna wants us to become a devotee and always think about him is because Krishna is always thinking about us. It's a reciprocation. We discussed this point one day. If somebody is thinking about you whole day, he has a right to ask you to do the same. Krishna can simultaneously, at the same time, think about every living entity. Yeah? Just like parents call, Beta, you were thinking about your whole day. Yes? Krishna is simultaneously thinking about all the trillions and billions of living entities throughout the manifestation as a well-wisher. Krishna is so great. So why I am Prabhupada is to say, we are not using our language, Prabhupada, you are so rascal, dull-headed. Why is he saying so? Because Supreme Personality is so great. He has no reason to think about us. Suppose you meet some great man, right? You meet the great man, President of America, or some great Nobel laureate, some very famous person, some very rich person. Everybody talks about him. Are you good? And a whole day I was thinking about you. How privileged you feel. My God, he was thinking about me whole day. Not whole day, is continuously thinking about you. How will you feel privileged? And we don't feel privileged. We are so dull-headed. Prabhupada says, therefore he says, dull-headed, rascals, how many words Prabhupada? Rogues. Why did he say so? Because he feels so. He is not artificially saying. He is representing Krishna. Krishna feels in frustration, dull-headed or rogue, so hard-hearted. Correct? Something you give somebody in affection and that person doesn't reciprocate, you say hard-hearted. Here Krishna is giving everything, supplying you all your maintenance. Actually, other person is just a hand in the, it's just an instrument in Krishna's hand. Maintainer is Krishna, nobody else. Never forget that. Krishna is continuously maintaining you, taking care of you every moment. It's just like holding you at every second. And then after that, you don't think about Krishna. And he is thinking about you all the time. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Surida Sarvabhutami best friend. And he is, Krishna is thinking about us all the time. What is the difficulty? Therefore Prabhupada is ordering us actually here to become a devotee, nothing less. That is the best situation we can have. And Prabhupada is saying, to be the highest, there are definitely different forms of the Lord like Narayana, Vishnu, everything. Best is meditator Krishna. But sweetest form. In this form, you can serve Krishna without any awe or reverence. Other forms, there is a gap. Krishna, you can be very, very intimate. And this kind of intimacy, no incarnation will allow you. So therefore, Krishna is saying, think of me, nothing else. No pantheism. I can think of devatas also. Forget devatas. Prabhupada is saying, no need to even think about other forms of the Narayana forms of the Lord. Focus on the Krishna's form, the topmost form of the Supreme Father, the Supreme Personality, that is Krishna. So that is what Prabhupada concludes this Bhagavad Gita. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srila Bhagavad Gita ki.